It's lit. Just take a look at the drip. You boys don't get fired in this. Roll up dope, yeah, I'm high as a bitch. Wait, it's lit. Gave that little bitch a little tip. Now she wanna suck on the dick. She wanna catch all of the drip, drip, drip. Pull up and I'm loading the clip. New bitch, yeah, stay on my hip. Niggas talking, they not with this shit. Catch a body, you might just get hit. But lately been all about drip. New designer, just look at the fit. And I just blew a bag on my bitch. You got clout, but you don't got the drip. You get money, that's some type of myth. I can blind you, bitch, look at the wrist. For that bag and I might take a risk. Don't get crushed cause you care about a bitch. Pass the Henny, I'm tryna get lit. Tryna get out my body and shit. Fuck around and start bodying shit. Remember nights we was starving and shit. You my brother, I got you, that's it. We can never fall out by the bitch. We was swimming with sharks and them fish. In the field with them lions and pitch. Sweaty niggas be lying and shit. Talking money, don't buy their own shit. Baby mothers be buying them shit. You not lit, you depend on the bitch. Swear to God, man, I'm clever as shit. Still can trap any weather I'm in. Throw me working, I'm making it flip. With a whipping, you might just get sick. Throw me extra, you know we gon' win. Getting money, I've been doing this. Since a youngin', I've been had to drip. Make a movie, not talking a clip. It's lit. Just take a look at the drip. You boys don't get fired in this. Roll up dope, yeah, I'm high as a bitch. Wait, it's lit. Gave that little bitch a little tip. Now she wanna suck on the dick. She wanna catch all of the drip, drip, drip. They must have thought I died. You can see the pain in my eyes. I'm on the edge, aiming right in my mind. Running up, niggas better think twice. They must have thought I died. You can see the pain in my eyes. I'm on the edge, aiming right in my mind. Running up, niggas better think twice. Niggas chatting with the gossip about. Niggas watching, ain't no hot now. Smoking big dope when I'm riding out. You ain't getting what you lying about. It was first Vine, now it's the clout. Instagram, what the hype about? Glad a nigga gon' act up. Fuck around and bring them lines out. Who they saying gon' harm me? I'll keep something they on breathe. Bring major pain like the army. Just for the time we were starving. Yeah, stomach aches got me heartless. Yeah, I was jugging in and out the market. Hey, I ain't choose this lifestyle. This how it all started. Hey, now I can't sleep at night. 10 toes, I'ma stand through the fight. I can't sleep at night. 10 toes, I'ma stand through the fire. 10 toes, I'ma stand through the fire. They must have thought I died. You can see the pain in my eyes. I'm on the edge, aiming right in my mind. Running up, niggas better think twice. They must have thought I died. You can see the pain in my eyes. I'm on the edge, aiming right in my mind. Running up, niggas better think twice. Yeah. with the bag. Ice on my wrist, diamonds move a lag. Never switching position, that's what money be in my bag. I don't thank God for all the shit that I got, I never had. I little man, I got a ball, roll to the wrist, downs on froze. She wanna fuck, I'm nose, taking it down, thumb nose. They kick it out, adios, stacking the bread, out the door. Hold the wrist up, don't know where to switch though. Got my pants up, think I need a branch, so we keep it lit. I can't let these niggas miss us, talking crazy, think you might get stitched up. I know why they hating on me, so I switch spots. Now we're running out of fuel, so fuck a pit stop. I've been ballin' since a youngin', so I take shots. She just wanna fuck me cause she know I get guap. Hit the jackpot, you a mascot. I want big rocks on my wristwatch. I know why they hating on me, so I switch spots. Now we're running out of fuel, so fuck a pit stop.
Hold up, beating the whip out, rolled up, 32 G's in the ziplock. Hold up, now I'm talking shit. Saw me walk to the whip, every night get lit. Me and Uno for the hit.
Driven to deep left field and gone.
Bada boom, bada bing, bout cash, bout bling. Go ahead, make it ring, 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 ring. Told the thought he ring a ding, 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 ding. Whole squad need chains and rings. Loud smoke, some amazing thing. Yeah, rip it open and I run in the knee. Was copping on it even if I don't need it. Bands on me, left the cashier speeches. Thank God, thank Keen and real friends. You don't know the meaning. Get on the bag, go do the math, split it up until it's even. I spaz on the beat for no reason. Tripping out, walking on water like Jesus. Let him know it's no season.
I know why they hating on me, so I switch spots. Now we're running out of fuel, so fuck a pit stop. I've been ballin' since a youngin', so I take shots. She just wanna fuck me cause she know I get guap. I hit the jackpot, you a mascot. I want big rocks on my wristwatch. I know why they hating on me, so I switch spots. Now we're running out of fuel, so fuck a pit stop.
Tryna get out of character, get put right in your place. It's hard to be clean forever, everyone gon' make mistakes. And if the cops pull me over, it might just turn to a chase. Yeah, like you said you was, I might just do the race and self-drive. That's the way you said that you a shooter, well I guess I'ma keep testing you. I'm only beefing by money, I'm like a cash cow. I see they peeping, I'm coming up and they ask how. She wanna party with me and bro got her ass out. I told her if she keep popping Xannies, then she gon' I just wanna win, dreams of all of buttering, but I'm addicted to the streets, so I know that I'm a sinner. If I die, my life start over, I'ma do this shit again. Swimming with the sharks, you a fish cut off your fin. Couple niggas locked, might not see daylight again. I got a couple niggas dead, mama burying the kin. Pull up 50 shots, I'ma only give them 10. Pass me the rock, shoot at the buzzer, I'ma win. Started pouring Remy cause I'm getting sick of hints. If I write a book about my life, don't know where I begin. Couple L's thrown at me, I took them on the chin. Used to see me taking losses, they surprised a nigga win. The longer I live, I'ma lose myself. And if I had you, then I'ma choose myself. A higher power in mind, but me more than wealth. Hit a couple licks in the Brody, I gotta use my scalp. Pouring belt, wrapped around my jeans, it's hard to hold my pants up. People have to lock me times up, I can't get my bands up. Before I tell, I'd rather die, no, I can't get my mans up. Go ahead and try to pull it, hope your shit don't jam up. I remember being in the blocks, I had to go hide from the jakes. I gotta make right decisions, everyone gon' make mistakes. How you gon' take from your brother and turn a smile in his face? Gang. You tryna get out of character, get put right in your place. It's hard to be clean forever, everyone gon' make mistakes. And if the cops pull me over, it might just turn to a chase.
Em đi Filipina ada. Oh, boleh saya bantu. Mana mana? Tadi.
just poured the water, sold it in bottles for $2. And Coca-Cola came and bought it for bins. What the fuck? Have a baby by me, baby. Be a millionaire, I write the check before the baby comes. Who the fuck can I do the edges? I'ma die trying to spin this shit. Southside's up in this bitch. I get it. 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 You see the Benz on dub. When I roll 20 deep, so it's
I got money to throw and party. I've been watching you twist your body. I've been watching you twist your body. And yeah, you got me in the trance. I got the finest girls in France. Such a feeling when you dance. Such a feeling when you dance. You should know. You should know. I don't drink alone. White girl traces on my nose. Let her know. Let her know. Higher up I go. They all love me when I'm low. In the hood, in the light, I see it 50. They all love me when I'm low.
Poco lo que se diga, William Landrón y yo somos socios de la avenida. Soy bandolero como el Mister politiquero, que se robó todo el dinero y lo postularon de nuevo. Si fuera que yo no forma, nos daban conspiración, la llave bota. Y yo no soy ejemplo, mi respeto al tiempo, su único delito fue tener talento.